It starts long before the first white coat, before the first exam. It starts with a calling, with courage, with your very first, I can do this. There will be long nights, there will be hard days, but you will never face them alone. Because here, you're part of something bigger. A community that believes in you. Every first, every challenge, every breakthrough. We're with you every step of the way. Because this is more than the place where you study medicine. This is where you become the doctor Kentucky needs.